Okay, I'll be showing you this room at Atlantis. I'm at the Cove, the 12th floor, room 12826. Well, the first thing I'm going to show you here when you enter is the bathroom. So here's their walk-in shower. Give you complimentary toiletries. Got the double sink here, his and her sink, and a deep soaking tub. Okay, over here you'll find the toilet. And this is their bathroom. Okay, moving on here, this is the closet. So you'll find extra pillows, hangers, bathrobe, and here's a safe. Drawer space here. And you have the ironing board. And that's it. Moving on here, in this desk, this is where you're gonna find the coffee maker. So this is a Keurig brand. More drawer space here. And there's TV on the right. And here's the bedroom. So it's a king bed. Okay, over here they actually give you a complimentary stainless steel water bottle. So there's two here. They provide you with a bottle opener, and here's ice bucket. To the left here, complimentary Cove beach bag and slippers. That's pretty nice. Moving on here, there's a step down to, it's kind of like a sunken living room. So you got the TV there, and here's the fridge to the left. And there's like drawers here, but there's nothing really in there. So just a couple of glasses. So straight ahead here is a sofa sleeper. So it's really nice when you have a kid. They have their own bed here. Just pull it out. Okay, now let's check out the outside view. A view from our balcony here. So there's two chairs if you wanna like hang out and look at the view. This is a nice place to be. Right there. And this is the perfect view. Straight ahead, that's the Royal Tower. You got the Cove Beach, and I think that's Colonnades pool in the middle. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed the room tour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Queen Egypt 911. Thanks for watching.